If you're over 60 and waking up with less energy, weaker performance, or a lingering sense that something's not quite right down there, it's not just aging. It could be what you're eating or not eating first thing in the morning. Few men realize that their breakfast habits can either fuel circulation where it matters most or slowly sabotage it day after day. Here's the eye-opener. Your lower body muscles and blood vessels are more responsive in the first hour of the day than at any other time. This is your body's prime opportunity to restore flow, sensitivity, and stability, but only if you feed it correctly. Let's talk about 5 foods that can naturally boost male circulation, support muscle health, and revive confidence without pills, side effects, or guesswork. These aren't exotic ingredients or pricey supplements. They're simple, everyday foods used with powerful timing. The first one is something you probably already have in your kitchen: whole eggs. Not just the whites, the yolks are where the magic happens. They're packed with vitamin D, B12, choline, and leucine, nutrients that your pelvic muscles crave to rebuild strength and regain responsiveness. These muscles control everything from intimacy to bladder function, and without proper morning nourishment, they weaken fast. 2 whole eggs in the morning? That might be the quiet strength your body's been waiting for. Next, upgrade your breakfast bowl. Oats topped with chia seeds may sound simple, but this combination is a game changer. Add chia seeds, rich in omega-3s, magnesium, and potassium, and now you've got a recipe for wide-open vessels, stable blood pressure, and better energy both upstairs and down. Want something sweet that actually helps your circulation? Watermelon. Surprised? This juicy fruit is loaded with an amino acid called citrulline, which boosts nitric oxide, your body's natural vessel widener. It works fast. In fact, it works along the same biological pathway as popular intimacy medications, just without the side effects. Eat a few slices in the morning, even the pale rind if you're bold. Your arteries will thank you. Then there's the one food that acts like a quiet stabilizer. Warm steamed sweet potato with a pinch of mineral-rich salt. It doesn't just provide clean energy, it helps your nerves fire better and your muscles retain strength. This is especially crucial for men dealing with numbness, leg fatigue, or sluggish circulation after 60. So what's the protocol? Simple. Start with one of these tomorrow morning. Whether it's 2 eggs, a bowl of oats with chia, a few slices of watermelon, or sweet potatoes with sea salt, your breakfast is no longer just a meal. It's your daily dose of repair. You don't have to overhaul your entire life. Just commit to the first 30 minutes of your day. That's when your body is listening. That's when circulation is ready to be restored. The truth is, most men give up on their strength not because they have to, but because they believe it's already gone. But your body hasn't forgotten how to respond. It's simply waiting for the right signal, and it starts with the food on your fork. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about reclaiming control. Every morning, every bite. Your next chapter starts before your coffee even cools. Make breakfast your comeback.